My name is Xoliswa Mdabe. I came from all the way from KZN in the Wits School of Education. So the CAPC writing retreats, day one, was exciting and nervous. I was nervous. I didn't know what to expect. I was worried about all the intelligent people I'd be around, but I found it to be very informative, very interesting. I particularly liked the presentation on developing my problem statements and literature review, because that's the stage I'm at. I'm right at the beginning of my proposal development, so I've been back and forth with my supervisor on writing a problem statement. So that was the highlight of yesterday, amongst many other very interesting and informative presentations that were done for us yesterday. I am really excited for today. The day has started very well, and I'm hoping by the end of this retreat I would have gathered enough information and to move forward with my proposal and be able to defend by the end of the year. So I really appreciate this experience, and yesterday was thoroughly exciting and thoroughly informative. Thank you.